Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, seats, heated and cooled, driver and front passenger, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, skid plate package, LTZ Plus package, LTZ White Diamond Edition, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible 6-disc CD changer in the rear vision camera. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.